back and gripping up again. Ain't no luck in these bitches, only trust my pen. I drop them off, don't tuck the gems. What's up to spin? My Tim cutting wind and a custom rim. I'm here now, took long, sue me, I'm all Louis. Wrecking shit, yeah, yours truly, a ball movie. I'm a trip, yeah, tall smoothie, a boy usually. Your balls border, line us up, they gon' choose me. I'm clapping rapid like a draw Uzi. I'm back in traffic, matching old jewelry. You dirty bastard, don't you go and screw me. Nothing but G's down here, dog, my flow's Gucci.
Плюс 4 КП, 27 февраля 23 года.
Motherfucker, you survived 21 and ain't at least one toucher.
Call me 50 years, call me Ferrari, call me New York. Land list, my name changed, nigga, I ain't playing games. New York, for sure, call me NY. New York, for sure, call me NY. 50 years, call me Ferrari, call me New York. Land list, my name changed, nigga, I ain't playing games. New York, for sure, call me NY. New York, for sure, call me NY.
417, blow your chest out your ass. Leave them on the concrete like the nigga working ass. The way I work that workout, call me a trainer. Pour that water right off the top, who needs a strainer? Granny told me don't bother forks, I use a hanger. Then I let him sit out there and dry, who needs a hanger? Airport hours, Sunday to Sunday. Let them bitches fly the yard, call it a runway. Call me sensei, teasing me out here. Got an old school whip game, call it a Atari. Got some red bones to go out the fingers, get that Amari. And every time you walk in their crib, it looks safari. And they don't play by Young Money, Nicki Minaj. Party in there like, bruh, let's put guys. So what the fuck you think I'm doing right now? It's how I rock on, rock on, rock on.
50 years, call me Ferrari, call me New York. Land list, my name changed, nigga, I ain't playing games. New York, for sure, call me NY. New York, for sure, call me NY. 50 years, call me Ferrari, call me New York. Land list, my name changed, nigga, I ain't playing games. New York, for sure, call me NY. New York, for sure, call me NY.
Don't get the vision. You don't want me blacking out, cause the solar eclipse. When clicking, little niggas clapping off the roof and they ain't flipping pigeons. Giving unanimous L's out, no split decisions. Penning us through the fire, left hell's house. In mid-condition, yeah, your stomach's growling, but wildin' to get them zippers in them. Shit you rabbit acting in penance, they got your image in them. Hope your baby mamas forget them, the TV dinners in them. Tenant for the nosy, you want it, you gotta show me. A lot of niggas been dropping, but wouldn't shit over Cody. New installment from my catalog, another flip off the old me. I'm low-key, Benjamin Sheets keeping me cozy. Rather drag you all through the mud, hoping it's over slowly. Eat my dust, take over, Daytona roadie. Sharp blades and army brigades to overthrow me. Dark days and armor for strays, all on my lonely. Hit with a stubborn, ain't gon' take advice. Sometimes you gotta go through shit, money won't always make it right. It's speeding season, ain't no breaks in sight. Loyalty, get your points, dishonor, take your stripes. The pressure's building up my appetite. Footprints of a giant, even bigger in my afterlife. Won't go $1 under asking price. Take the bank, snatch the dice. Opposition at them twice. Suited up his mind again. New production for body. And it's cool this time we win. Cigar, Gus, and Ferrari. When you rhyming and him getting shit out. It really a hobby then. I probably been in every shape. That's what it's still lobbying. Funny how when I'm out you're not wondering where my copy been. Jotting my style over T. How can we not be twins? Left a couple at the dock shit. How could you not me when the things get rough? Niggas jump shit like a Somali. And I watch the toughest soldier crack. Yo, what part of the code was that? Making it made my heart thaw a little. And then it froze it back. Blame the nigga that shot you out. Should've had him a Trojan back. Shit, who am I to talk? Got so many sons they overlap. Enough with all the holding back. 4 to 5 new albums. My goal is plaque. You shining but his costume. Cubic pendants. Who sold him that? Closet for your bogus stack. Shame sticks to you, won't detach. Life will hit you full speed. Make both of your shoulders. Hit with a stubborn ain't gon' take advice. Sometimes you gotta go through shit. Money won't always make it right. It's speeding season, ain't no breaks in sight. Loyalty, get your points. Dishonor, take your stripes. The pressure's building up my appetite. Footprints of a giant, even bigger in my afterlife. Won't go $1 under asking price. Take the bank, snatch the dice. Opposition at them twice. Ones to fool with. Back on that party hard and bullshit. Yo, bottles at the VMA like Kanye. Blue and orange bomber at the Barclays. Saturdays we bring the K up like Deontay. Filet cut on the China, sticky chrome plate. POK, I push the bar up to the bar breaks. Set my throne in competition, sipping stomp grapes. My niggas gang related, Banco good with all colors. All they know is shoot, pass, and steal like the Ball brothers. Traditional shopping sprees made them all lovers. Rough sex under designer fall covers. Chronic for months, lobster for tour supper. Cocaine marble, hundreds to the floor buffer. You was never my man, dog, you a tour jumper. And I wouldn't give a fuck if the force slump you. My little man a loose cannon, he bout that action. Run around with more teardrops than Mark Jackson. I blame the mediocre for slipping, I start laxing. Got an automatic son, in games like John Paxson. Deaf to the oppas, ever played me out to cease. Gucci hair bows before my baby had her teeth. Louis bottoms on 11.5 a piece. Invest in a nigga gift, winning bills like Dominique. Everything in double refills 2 times a week. Thank you letters to the legends, get rid of the obsolete. Fuck being a runner-up, fuck that. I got my eyes on the prize, still another day, another buck. Dropping in the winter, fuck the summer up. They won't ever treat you like you one of us. Got the heart of a Spartan who on battle. Diamonds so bright they sparkle in my shadow, rap double barrel. Feels like a monster when the trouble grab you. For anybody who wanna take it there, I love to travel. Ain't nothing like foreigners, they hug the avenue. I'm shitting your hood is my public bathroom. Bitch told me to go to hell, shit, I been there and left it. Flow so godly, it wasn't nothing to clear the exit. He claimed me a rider, nobody know him. Think they could sit anywhere till you told him. Send for my bitch, I'ma have her write you a poem. Pistols of chrome, bullets of gold, don't make me foam. Woke up by a money machine, hell of a listen. And I ain't giving nobody that, my palm is itching. You been telling niggas business so long, your calm snitching. Police wanna catch your boy slipping and calm victim. Fuck being a runner-up, fuck that. I got my eyes on the prize, still another day, another buck. Dropping in the winter, fuck the summer up. They won't ever treat you like you one of us. we ain't come out the same mother. You ain't my twin. From where the magic dark clowns will disappear when the paper's thin. Two humpers in a Scrooge McDuck bunker. Figured I'd take a swim. Bullet holes in my 4-figure garments. Ain't even break my skin. Bet you think money grows on trees. Put your gloves on and rake them then. Anytime that I land on top counts for a South Jamaica win. Trust me, shit always goes left. The devil's right here to break your chin. And kids grow up victims to the predicament you raise them in. $1.50 is Satan's grin. Same stuff in the Stapleton. Back on my 5 and better. It's starting to feel like 08 again. I know just what it takes to win. Plotting while I'm vacationing. Product of New York's dopest. The smokers want a free base again. Saddest news at the day start. Poverty's bites a great shark. Got a double a Kevlar up. Backstabber, now say sharp. Fate is always consistent. They ain't gon' offer a change heart. Smart can sell you a dummy. The stupid can never play smart. Play with mine, this ain't the time. Gloomy days and dangerous minds. Niggas don't complain or cry. High as the days go by. Getting it from 1 to 12. The 10th month is my favorite time. Niggas ain't afraid to die till it's time to say goodbye. You don't wanna take this ride. Your path ain't the same as mine. Problems happen every day. Bad news ain't gon' change the grind. Money count a major kind. Flying out the state for mine. Niggas sleep cause they can't see. Havoc for wake the blind. Favorite time of the years when the trouble come out to play. I'ma burn up everything that I touch. Stay the fuck out my way. There's haters on all directions. I'm spinning round when I spray. I ain't even breaking the sweat like a scrimmage now when I play. I've been loading this clip for all them. Or for them or make them sick. With more triggers than postpartum. Out Harlem whipping the shit. You talking shit, I beg your pardon. Won't harm them. I walk equipped. But we ain't galloping 553 horses, bitch. Hardest they praising can't do shit with me. Maybe I'm out the loop with this. My DNA is linked to Don jeans, wallets and Ruger prints. Here to supply a gruesome wish. Laughing out of the stew convinced. Steaming hash in a scream mask. Penning the shit the Kruger flicks. Niggas know what the blueprint is. Challenge it or get used to this. Should've been served you this shit last year. Waiting just grew suspense. The stagnation of contract was stolen me. I've been moving since. Couldn't deal with the old banks. What the fuck they gon' do with this? Play with mine, this ain't the time. Gloomy days and dangerous minds. Niggas don't complain or cry. High as the days go by. Getting it from 1 to 12. The 10th month is my favorite time. Niggas ain't afraid to die till it's time to say goodbye. You don't wanna take this ride. Your path ain't the same as mine. Problems happen every day. Bad news ain't gon' change the grind. Money count a major kind. Flying out the state for mine. Niggas sleep cause they can't see. Havoc for wake the blind. Yeah. All this weight holds a ton when they title you the one. Where I'm from, ain't no love, just a barrel and a drum. On my son, I ain't done, shit my story just begun. Ain't no slipping, sleep is done. When there ain't nowhere to run, call me dumb. Rather wind up in a clink than a bum. Get your gun, niggas rather see you die than you won. In the slum, this is fun, though it traumatizes some. Here it comes, second guessing, and I've only just begun. I lost so many people, yet I survived. I'm feeling guilty, know this work'll last a few lifetimes. They'll never kill me, God ain't make them all with hearts like mine. They did me filthy, I ain't somewhere in the book where they rank niggas, I will be. Where do we start? Did all this building, but somewhere it fell apart. Still buying diamonds, gotta shine cause hell is dark. Friends smile, haters smile, they hard to tell apart. Gotta stay sharp, this hell is dark. I know I'm bleeding, can't you tell that I've been shot? I'm feeling dizzy, someone caught me in the heart. Don't get comfortable, should've taught me from the start. I wouldn't listen, now it's time for me to harp. Choices you gave me laid me right there in the park. Thought it was over, but somewhere I found a spark. Knew you were waiting on the day I fell apart. Broken arrows, brought an ends out the door, but I settled for some more. Ain't no U-turns in war when that pedal hits the floor. And I swore to get back everything I took out the store. Times 4, I caught back up, ain't gotta look up no more. Tied score, I'm a sore, my survival's my law. I'm alive with my hand on the Bible, fuck the law. I adore, the smell of pressure gives me bundles galore. I'm in awe, mixing these words up like I've been here before. Some friends won't always be worthy, don't introduce them as family. I'm black in every direction, I know what Judas is near me. Don't think that I'm the exception, the biggest bruises won't spare me. I had my fair share of troubles, careful couldn't prepare me. My gifts are multiplying and it's easy to double often. Too dangerous for your rap list, keep me the fuck up off them. You owe me all of mine, copping please won't disrupt distortion. Thumbing through this money while I'm talking, nigga. This hell is dark, I know I'm bleeding, can't you tell that I've been shot? I'm feeling dizzy, someone caught me in the heart. Don't get comfortable, should've taught me from the start. I wouldn't listen, now it's time for me to harp. Choices you gave me laid me right there in the park. Thought it was over, but somewhere I found a spark. Knew you were waiting on the day I fell apart. Broken arrows, feel like I'm due for redemption. Karma's a horrid stat. Ain't nothing worse than maintaining, if you can call it that. When I create, I don't listen critics, but all the traps. Picture receivers giving orders to the quarterback. Businesses cross the mat lines, changing the order of the almanac. I ain't an easy fix, the risk comes with the toss attached. Product of the south side, shining style, the orphan batch. These days the innocent get strayed, your organ snatched. Never take our conversation cross the street. Can't hear you out, ain't no justification for the seat. I put some bread away just in case you were off your feet. But you an AWOL, justification for the week. If you should fuck up my day, it's probation for the week. Stomp on my way through cities, whole states to call for keeps. Yapping to get you killed, they lie when they say talk is cheap. You need a better understanding, take a walk with me. This hell is dark, I know I'm bleeding, can't you tell that I've been shot? I'm feeling dizzy, someone caught me in the heart. Don't get comfortable, should've taught me from the start. I wouldn't listen, now it's time for me to harp. Choices you gave me laid me right there in the park. Thought it was over, but somewhere I found a spark. Knew you were waiting on the day I fell apart. Trying to be the best version I can be, but the ghetto made a murder out of me. Wasn't always the person that you see.